Hey, Raul. You want to come exercise with us? Oh, alright then, another time.
Wallin' cause I'm young, I be wallin' cause I'm young, I be wallin' cause I'm young, and I be wallin' till I'm chillin' old. I be wallin' cause I'm young, wallin' cause I'm young, wallin' cause I'm young, wallin' cause I'm young, I be wallin' cause I'm young, I be wallin' cause I'm young, and I be.
I wonder what that dude's doing right now.
Who?
Raul.
Cuando yo me muera no quiero que llore.
Hey, what you been doing all day, man? We're working out. What were you?
Eating pizza, man.
Eating pizza. Eating pizza. What you doing? What's it again? What's it again? We're working out. And you're just doing that. Like I don't even know who you are.
Cuando yo me muera me llevan al cerro para que me velen aunque hay una
What have you been doing all day, man?
que en lugar de caja me pongan un
Eating some
pepa
food, man. Relaxing.
y en lugar de
Yeah,
velas
people relax.
botella de
What about project?
vino.
About it.
Got plenty done.
Huh?
Plenty.
You got
Y si muero lejos del amor que quiero.
frigo, you ain't got no. Ya tú sabes.